Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I am going to start a 25 days of Canva challenge. So let's do it. So I will be sharing a few tips that if you are implementing on your designs, these are like I'll start with very basic levels, and if you are implementing these kind of tips in your Canva designs, you can come up with very decent or say like very creative kind of designs. Okay, so let's start with this. First, I have just randomly taken one creative. Okay, so firstly I would delete all these things. I'm just starting with the blank. I'm just changing the color. What we do, we normally take white color, blue color, or maybe this color, red color, yellow color, or these different colors. Instead of these color, it's good if you are choosing gradient colors, this or this, like based on the, if you are working for any brand, so based on the brand logo or palette, you can choose the color. Okay, so this color or this, so you can see this. I like this color. So if you are designing it for your purpose or personal purpose, there is no brand palette, there is nothing like this, so you can easily go with this kind of color. Okay, this color, or even this, I like this too. Okay, so this color, even brown and this black shadow, like shadow kind of thing, so this is also good. So this is one thing that I wanted to share with you. Okay, so again, if I talk about more things, so here when it comes to say putting some kind of designs in it, so you can write geometry shape. Okay, in the element section, and from there you can look for various say designs for maybe bottom part. If I talk about this, okay, so now this time, firstly let's change the color if possible. Okay, we can change the color, so I'm just changing the color, and now you can see that this color is say too much flashing in this creative. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to decrease the transparency of this. Okay, so from this you can decrease the transparency of whatever elements or even whatever photos you are going to put in your Canva designs. So yeah, that's it for the video. Just stay tuned and subscribe for my channel. I will keep on coming with more these kind of tips and tricks for Canva, and I have taken this 25 days of continuous days of challenge for Canva. So yeah, just if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.